Mom, I'm Eduardine Alexa Morales from Genesis, and now I'm gonna be doing an experiment about concentration and dilution. Here are the materials we're going to need: salt, water cup, spoon, and 3 cups with same size, which is the cup A, cup B, and C. Let's get started! Let's prepare the first solution, which is cup A. First, let's add 1 level spoon of salt to the cup A. Now, let's put 9 spoons of water from the water cup to the A. Then, let's stir the contents of the cup A until they are completely dissolved. Next, let's prepare the second solution, which is cup B. Let's add 1 spoon of solution A to the cup B. Transfer 9 spoons of water to the cup B. After that, let's stir the contents of the cup B until they are completely dissolved. Now, let's prepare the last cup, which is the cup C. Let's add 1 spoon of solution B to the cup C. Transfer 9 spoons of water to the cup C and let's stir the contents of the cup C until they are completely dissolved. As we can see, we have the saturated, unsaturated, and supersaturated solution here. We have here the guide questions. 1. Which are the solvent and solute in this activity? Answer. The solvent is the water, while the solute is the salt. 2. Is the concentration of solution the same for cup A, B, and C? Why or why not? Answer. The concentration of a solution is the amount of solute present in a given amount of solution or solvent. Well, in this experiment, the cup A to C doesn't have the same concentration because concentration needs to be balanced and maintained. and each cup has a different balance of concentration. That's all. Thank you!